Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, February 24th, 2022. I am doing a follow-up from the video that I showed you on January 22nd of this year, January 22nd, 2022. Okay, let me pause just a moment. There's an airplane going by. All right, the sun is starting to set. As I was saying to you on January 22nd of this year, January 22nd, 2022, I came out here. There was ice on the ground. I had ice in my pots, in my flower pots. As you can see, this one didn't survive. Whatever was in this pot did not survive unless it's under those leaves down in there. I haven't checked it. This pot right here still has some leaves, look like they're still holding on. And I'm thinking there's cabbage or broccoli in there. Whatever was in here has not survived. As you can see, it's a lot of green stuff on top, slimy looking stuff. All right, those are just some pots that I moved around, some pots and some water bottles that I cut in half to use as planters. All right, I am amazed that these little ones over here have almost doubled in size since the last time I videoed them on January 22nd. Okay, those are still surviving. Those have gotten bigger. Okay, now let's take a walk across the garden. I really want to show you what I am most proud of right now. My onions, they have gotten so tall. What a difference 1 month and 2 days can make. Okay, look at that. I have probably harvested them a few times since the last time I videotaped them. Look at those greens right there. Those are mustard greens. They are so beautiful. So pretty and green and just standing up tall. There's a little baby collard green down in there. Okay. Now I'm thinking that these are collards, but it's kind of trying to take on the pattern of a cabbage a little bit. Time will tell what that is going to be, but they look beautiful. Okay. Still have some mustard greens here. Okay, here's some little teeny tiny greens here. I was thinking that all along that they were collard greens, but they're trying to crinkle up like cabbage a little bit. That is so beautiful. More mustard greens. Okay, again, same thing. I don't know if it's a cabbage or a collard. They're all in the same family. And it could even be broccoli because I really did not label them. You know, it's been a long time since I grew broccoli, so I really don't remember what their leaves look like at this stage in their lives. But oh boy, look at this right here. Look at that. I don't know what that is. It's starting to look like it's got a little head on it, like almost like a cabbage would have. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of exercise because I like to remind you that the CDC says I'm supposed to get 150 minutes a week. I am far from that, and today is Thursday, so I'm going to get in whatever I can get in. today. Thank you so well. Before I go, please subscribe to my channel. It does not cost anything to subscribe. And that will let me know that you like the videos that I'm producing. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with others. Thank you.